I no longer have the RS5T, but what I do have is a Nathan Airchime Newcast P5. What I did is, I decided not to go with the RS5T, and I decided to go ahead and just retune it to a Newcast P5, and it actually sounds much better as the P5 than it does as an RS5T. Still not painted, still not mounted on a manifold, still mounted on an airway splitter, and it's basically the same description as the RS5T, it's just retuned to a Newcast 3rd generation P5. And I'll be honking this thing in the next video at 110 feet away at 110 psi.